All AC parts play a big role in keeping your home cool, but have you ever wondered why there are zip ties on fan wires? So, those zip ties you see holding fan wires in place are not just random. They actually keep the wires secure and away from the spinning fan blades. If the wires got loose, they could get caught in the blades and cause some serious damage or even stop the whole system from working. When you're messing with your air conditioner, always make sure those zip ties are snug but not too tight to cut into the wires. You can replace them easily if they get old or brittle, which helps prevent shorts or other electrical issues. Also, keeping wires bundled neatly helps with airflow inside the unit, making your AC run smoother and last longer. If you notice any zip ties missing or broken, grab some replacements from the hardware store. They're super cheap and simple to use. Remember, nothing fancy needed, just wrap them around the wires and clip the excess. It's a small thing that keeps your AC running without hiccups. One of the biggest mistakes people make with AC fan wiring is ignoring loose or dangling wires, which can lead to the fan blades hitting the wires and causing shorts or damage. Fix this by always checking those zip ties and replacing any that are missing. Another common issue is over-tightening zip ties so they cut into the wire insulation, which can cause electrical shorts. Just make sure they're snug but not crushing the wires. The third problem is using cheap or worn-out zip ties that break easily. Go for durable ones designed for electrical use to keep everything safe and sound. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking up homeowners with reliable local contractors who really know their stuff. Plus, it's a great way for contractors to find steady work from people who need trusted help with home repairs or upgrades.